My admin knows how much I love being on the spot here. Instantly, I'm at a loss for words. I look out here and I think, I do what I do because of each and every one of you. I love each of you. When the crew was up here showing the money, I was like, I had you, and I had you, and I had you, and I love you, and I love you forever. And I don't take it for granted that I get to do what I love every single day. There's this saying, you don't work a day in your life if you love what you do. And I get to live that every day. So thank you to all of you. Thank you, guys. I'm at a loss for words. I'm just so thankful and so grateful that I get to be in this gig with all of you. So thank you.